Our objective question 45 for SHS candidates. If the point -2, 4, or if -2, 4 is a point on the graph of y is equal to p x squared minus 2x plus 4, where p is a constant, find the value of p. So we are asked to find the value of p. Let's do a substitution of -4 and 4 into the equation. So y is 4 is equal to p, and x is -2 squared minus 2 into bracket. The value of x is -2 plus 4. We have 4 is equal to -2 squared is 4. So 4 times p will be 4p minus, -2 times -2 will be positive 4 plus another 4. Now 4 is equal to 4p. 4 plus 4 is 8. We transpose the positive 8 to the left hand side and it will be negative. So 4 minus 8 is equal to 4p. 4 minus 8 will give us -4, which is equal to 4p. So to get a value of p, we divide both sides by 4. And p will give us -1. Objective question 2 for private candidates. If 1 out of r is equal to 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 9, find the value of r. So 1 out of r is equal to, we find the least common denominator here, and that is 6 and 9 is going to give us 18. 6 into 18 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 9 into 18 is 2. 2 times 1 is the same 2. 1 out of r is equal to 5 out of 18. And again, with cross multiplication, we can say that the r will cross from the denominator at this side and become a numerator at the right hand side. And 5 will also cross from the numerator at the right hand side and become a denominator at the left hand side. So we get 1 out of 5 is equal to r out of 18. Alright, and we can also cross the 18. So we are going to get a value of r is equal to 18 out of 5. And 18 divided by 5, 5 into 18. So 3. Then remainder 3 out of 5. So 3.6. The value of r is equal to 3.6. Objective question 11 for private candidates. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to -3, then z is equal to -4. You have to evaluate y minus x, x minus z, and z minus y. We are going to do a substitution. The value for y is -3 minus x is 2. The value for x is 2 minus z is -4. So z is -4 minus the value for y is -3. -3 minus 2 negative 5. 2 minus negative 4. That one will give us 6. Negative, negative will change to positive. Then negative 4 minus 3 as well. Negative, negative will turn to positive. So it will turn to negative 4 plus 3, which is negative 1. And negative 5 times 6 will give us negative 30. Negative 30 times negative 1 will give us positive 30. Objective question 12 for private candidates. It says we should make T the subject of the relation R is equal to the square root T minus 3 divided by 9 minus T. R is equal to the square root T minus 3 divided by 9 minus T. So in this, we are going to square both sides. R squared should be equal to the square root T minus 3 divided by 9 minus T all squared. This square root will take away the square root, leaving R squared is equal to T minus 3 divided by 9 minus T. Then 9 minus T will cross to the left side and multiply R squared, giving us R squared into brackets 9 minus T is equal to T minus 3. Then the next thing we do is to expand the bracket. So R squared multiplied by 9 is 9R squared. 9R squared. Then R squared multiplied by T will be R squared T. So minus R squared T is equal to T minus 3. We are making T the subject. So we can transpose R squared T to the right hand side and negative 3 to the left hand side. Of course, when they come, the signs will change. So 9R squared, then the negative 3 coming to the left hand side will be positive 3 is equal to T. Then negative R squared T will change to plus R squared T. So we get 9R squared plus 3 is equal to, we factor T out. So we get T into brackets 1 plus R squared. We factored T out. Now we want to find T, so we divide both sides of the equation by 1 plus R squared. We get 9R squared plus 3 over 1 plus R squared is equal to T to bracket 1 plus R squared divided by 1 plus R squared. This will cancel that, and T will be equal to 9R squared plus 3 divided by 1 plus R squared. So the value of T is 9R squared plus 3 divided by 1 plus R squared.